What's going on, traders? I first want to start off by saying that I appreciate everybody that's been commenting and that has subscribed to my channel. I know it's a new channel, I know it's I haven't been posting as much as I would like to. I haven't really had the time, truthfully, to make these videos. But I do want to just say that I appreciate everybody that has commented, liked, subscribed to my channel. That really does, it does make me want to continue and make these videos. But needless to say, I've been getting a lot of questions on, my progress with trading the trade the pool. I guess usually I say they're evaluations, but I got some live accounts. So I actually made it to the 14 days. On this account, you can see I'm up $911 here. So I'm gonna go ahead and submit a payout, and I want to walk through the payout process. I know we all skeptical sometimes on whether these firms pay out, and there's not a lot on YouTube about the trade the pool as far as their payouts, right? There's not a lot of testimonials that I have found on YouTube regarding this, so, or anywhere else if that matter, right? I've Googled it other places and haven't found anything. I do know they're part of the 5%ers, which is their like Forex, their currency trading side. And they have real good reviews, so I'm not worried about it. I've enjoyed everything about Trade the Pool, the evaluation process, the funding process. If you guys watch my review on Trade the Pool, in regards to the like the 60-second rule or the 10-cent rule. I really don't know what to say. Yeah, it sucks. I wish they weren't there like that, but what can you do? But as far as like the drawdowns and there's no daily trailing drawdowns like there are on a lot of the the futures. So everything else besides those two rules have been great. And like I said, you just got to adjust your trading when it comes to these types of rules. So if there's a 10-cent rule, you got to make at least 10 cents. If there's a 60-second rule, you got to hold trades at least 60 seconds. Yeah, okay, we don't like them, but hey, you just got to adjust your try to integrate your strategy to be able to fit those rules. That's it. So I've been real pleased with them so far. Trading with Trade the Pool, and they're pretty much the only online equities stock trading prop firm out there. I mean, yeah, you got S&B Capital, you got T3, where you could go and you could take your I believe it's a Series 7, and get FINRA regulated, which those are true prop firms. These are online prop firms, right? So yeah, I'll be walking through that process of making a withdrawal here in a second, but first I want to show you guys something that I've been working on. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Personal portfolio website. I'm going to have a lot of trading stuff in here. And I'm just finishing it up. I just got it launched. The site's not complete, but I'm still working on it. It's gonna take a while to actually complete the site how I envision it. But for those of you that don't know, I'm also a web developer. I do a lot of freelance work. I also own a small business, a janitorial company, which if any of you watched, any of you guys watched my previous videos, I got a lot going on, right? I don't just trade, so I do got a lot going on. But yeah, anyway, I just show you guys, we got a home section, and then, just go here, about me section. You can read about me if you're interested. My education, skills, softwares that I'm familiar with, technologies that I use, web development technologies, what I do, business owner, B2B services, My business is called Janitors Direct. And as I mentioned, it's a janitorial company. Freelancer, so web design and developer. So I also freelance web-based applications using frameworks like Next.js and React. And then of course I'm a trader, right? It's my true passion. I outline it here. My true passion lies in the financial markets. That couldn't be further from the truth. I love trading. That's that's my passion. So and then my projects, I got some development projects in here. I'm gonna add more. I just like I said, I've been working real hard on some other projects and trying to get this launched before the first of the year. And I got a blog section. Contact me. Services. These are gonna be my freelance services. I haven't got anything in here yet. Projects. As I mentioned, projects. You could go and if you're interested in business, web design, web development, marketing, sales, whatnot. You could come and read some of this if you're interested. I'll get to that in a second. Then you got a blog. This is a blog post I just generated from AI just to have a blog, an article in here. I'm gonna be personally writing articles. I just haven't got the time to. I want to write a lot about like trading, like different candlestick patterns, chart patterns, just a lot about trading. I'm going over here to the trading page. This is gonna be pretty much an application I'm gonna build out. And it's going to be something, I envision it to be a home to all my, trading related activities, right? So all my analysis, my playbooks, my daily report cards. The idea is to have one place for me to post and share everything related about my trading. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can see none of this but this is the general outline, the general idea that I got. Daily report cards, playbooks, and like I said, I'm gonna leave a link to my site in the description. If you guys are interested to check it out, you guys could actually read this and see kind of my thought process of what I want to do with this application. So daily report cards, playbooks, watch lists, my options portfolio. I'm also kind of dabbling into building a, I want to say a long-term, but kind of a, shorter, medium-term portfolio using option spreads. So market themes and Traders University, which is Traders University is where I want to kind of gather all my knowledge and just kind of write about it in a kind of like a blog or make some videos and whatnot. So just some ideas that I have. But yeah, if you guys are interested, you guys come check this out. Check my site out. And I'm gonna be adding to it. There's a lot I want to add to it, and like I said, I'm gonna build an application inside of the app, or inside of the website. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So jumping over here, what you guys want to see. So yeah, here is my funded limited edition 20K account, and actually I did some trading this morning. And I'm up $198 this morning. So yeah, I know if you guys aren't familiar with this profit target. So if you hit $2,000 before let's say if I don't take a payout right now, and I run this account up to $2,000, what they will do, they will then put you into a new account. That's when they scale up your account with the scaling plan that they offer. I don't know if I really like how they do it, but anyways, just to kind of illustrate this from what I've gathered from the support, is that once you hit the $2,000 or whatever count size you had, I know on the the 160K buying power, it was like $3,600. So if you hit $3,600, then your account, you get to take on larger risk. It's a percentage based on your buying power, but you get to take on larger risk, and your account balance actually goes to zero again. So, and then if you want to withdraw So let's say if I hit $2,000 right now, and my account balance will go to zero. I can't make a withdrawal. If I do make a withdrawal, I'm withdrawing into the drawdown. And then if you withdraw, let's say if I hit $2,000 and I withdraw with $2,000 in my accounts, you know, it gets shut down because you're withdrawing all the pretty much all your risk money out of there. So yeah, you know, my best trade, my best stock, my best trade, best day. You know, win-loss ratio is 1 to 3. So I'm winning 3, you know, a little bit over 3 times when I'm right than when I'm wrong. My success rate really could be a lot better, but you know, I got to really improve on that. But I'm trying to, you know, risk little, you know, a little bit, especially with only a $300 drawdown. I want to only risk like $60 a trade to try to get, you know, $150 to $200. You know, these are some of the trades I took. Negative 12, and then here goes a $36, right? And as you can see, there should be at least 10 cents between position open and position close, right? So there you go. That's $36 that wasn't counted because it wasn't 10 cents. So I didn't make 10 cents on it. I made $36, but I didn't make 10 cents on the trade. So it wasn't counted. So that, you know, that's, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, and I started, you know, 189, 18, 46, you know, and this account here, I've been, well, here goes my Tesla, and that was Thursday trade, I believe. Yeah, Thursday, because I actually didn't trade Friday. I didn't have a chance to trade Friday. So that was Thursday's trade, and I've not been trying to trade large caps at all in this account. Actually, I feel like I'm actually getting the hang of. I never really was a great trader trading small caps, low floats, and I started trading a long time ago, you know, with my personal account doing that, but I never was able to really, I was break even, but I never, you know, realized the profit really. I don't want to say trading small caps. So I'm actually happy that I'm getting, you know, I'm getting the knowledge and the skill to be able to trade these small caps, although I am doing a lot of shorting. So, and I know on, you know, a personal brokerage account, you know, with the locate fees and everything else like that, that's a whole nother, you know, whole nother ball game. But, you know, that's the advantage of having, you know, doing this with Trade the Pool. There are no short locate fees. So that's what I like about it, honestly. So, but anyways, yeah. So that's the account. That's where I'm at right now with this account. And as you can see, withdraw, right? Normally when you get funded, this is a gray button, and it'll say you have to have at least, I think it's $150 and 14 days. Well, I passed the $150 and I passed the 14 days. So, you know, we could go ahead and go to the withdrawal here. And then here's the money that I have to withdraw. So let's just do 827, right? So let's just do that. And then here are your payment methods. So you got Rise, Hub Credits, and then crypto. Okay, so Hub Credits, I believe they're the credits that actually go to your Trade the Pool. I guess if you want to buy other evaluations, so you could do Hub Credit. I'm gonna do Rise. I just set up a Rise account yesterday, last night, so I will do Rise. And then what we got here now, like I said, guys, this is my first time doing this, so please bear with me here. Make sure I don't want to screw anything up. Rises recite, you can send an invite in 3 hours. I guess we'll do this, and an invite. Rise invitation. So let me go over here and then check my email. Alright, got the email. Okay, I'm back. I apologize. I went to put the video on pause while I sign all the documents over at Rise. And when I unpaused the video, for some reason the audio, I was talking for another 15 minutes and the audio, I don't know where the audio went. So anyways, needless to say, it's only been about, I don't know, about 40 minutes, 30 minutes since I left off. But I did get the email from Trade the Pool, payout request confirmation. And as you can see here, the email says, we have received your request. Your payout is $578. Please note all requests are reviewed to avoid mistakes. This can take up to 24 to 48 hours during working days. So I guess I got to review the payout request, make sure everything's okay before they send it over to Rise. I'm used to using Wise. But yeah, they use Rise. So after you get everything set up, I think where I left off on the video, I was at the withdrawal process, and let me just show you this here. So as you guys can see over here in the in my account dashboard with Trade the Pool, the withdrawal button is disabled, and then it says the minimum for withdrawal request is $150. Your amount is 28 cents. That's what I left in the account. So yeah, everything everything the same. So, and on Traders Evolution, you see I got $84 left in the account, which the $84 were on trades that did not meet the 30-second rule or the 10-cent rule. And I don't think I mentioned this, but on this account that I have, the 20K limited edition account, as far as the time from when you enter to exit a trade, it's 30 seconds. So it's only 30 seconds. It's not 60 seconds like on the other accounts. So they do knock off 30 seconds. So yeah, which actually does make a difference, believe it or not. Which I know a lot of you that actually trade, 30 seconds could cost you, some money. So anyways, yeah, that's where I'm at right now, and I will continue trading this account, looking for another payout in the next 14 days, and I will keep you guys updated and let you guys know about the how long it takes to actually receive the funds from when you posted a withdrawal. So stay tuned for that. I'll make another video, and I will continue making videos on this channel. So if you guys are interested in following along in my journey, do hit that like and subscribe. It helps me out, helps me grow the channel, and lets me know you guys are interested in watching this content. And this channel is really based around Trade the Pool, one of the only online equities prop firm out there. And like I think I mentioned that you do have like other prop firms for in the equity space, like S&B Capital. I'm sure a lot of you know about. There's T3 Live, or T3 Trading Group, I believe it's called, which is, these are real prop firms. You do have to be regulated, FINRA regulated. They are FINRA regulated brokers. So you do have to go and take your Series 7 exam, whatnot. But as far as like the online prop firm space, I believe Trade the Pool is really the only one out there doing this. So yeah, and they do offer a good platform. Besides those two rules, the 10-cent rule and the 30 or the 60-second rule, other than that, it's a great prop firm. I've loved it, and yeah, I love trading with them. They offer a great platform. Their level 2 is pretty good, although you don't get the market makers, and you don't, there's a lot of stuff that you don't have access to. And unfortunately, even if you could pay for it, they just don't have the functionality there for, like, like on Dash Trader, for instance, or Lightspeed, if any of you traded with any of those brokers or on those platforms. But yeah, also another thing, one last thing, like I mentioned, I will leave a link in the description to my portfolio website if you guys are interested in checking that out. That will be left in the comments. And yeah, but as far as that, I think that's about it. So I appreciate you guys' time. If you guys watched this whole video and went through it, I do appreciate you. And like I said, as soon as this money hits, I will update you guys, let you know. And yeah, I'll be trading this account for the next 14 days and looking to try to get some, get another payout, and hopefully a bigger one. I know $500 is not, it's not much, but it's a 500% return. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you, and stay tuned and have a good one.